Hi, my name is Russ, and I want to talk to you about a specific plant in Bridgeport, Connecticut. It's basically the old Remington factory, which has a lot of lead contaminants as well as uranium contaminants in the soil. This factory was a huge boon for Bridgeport, which was actually in the 1900s was a very large plant, if not one of the largest plants in the world. It was financed by several czars in Russia as gifts. And so basically we get into the areas that surrounds it. They knocked down most of the factory. They've kept the clock tower because they thought it would be restored, and it's a monument to that time period in Bridgeport history. But what we had to do is just take a look at the area around the factory and know what's going on. There's been 80 acres of property that Stratford and Bridgeport own, and this issue is that all these unused fire munitions in the soils, contaminated lead, etc., they just basically let it go to become natural again because they didn't want to use that area as a test lab for bullets. So it was a little off-putting. I would say that the people around there, the LMIC, not so much the C, but the LMI, they're very poor around this area. A lot of Section 8 housing. Obviously, it's the United States, so there's running water, sanitation, all that kind of stuff. But it's just that those contaminants with the soil could probably run over to their yards, and that's a big problem for cleanup. So it just would make sense if we. It's technically a Superfund site, but it wouldn't make sense if we did some reinvesting in that area. Maybe put a cap on there, a clay cap, and then they could put maybe like a stop and shop or something like that, so it's not much of a food desert. There's a lot of bodegas and delis around the area, and that's really not the best things for the community over there. But this is Russ signing off. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.